I'm Andrea Wayman, I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Elite Paper Solutions, and Elite Paper Solutions was set up by Elite Supported Employment Agency. The key focus of our main charity was the employment, training and volunteering opportunities that we can create for people with disabilities or those experiencing disadvantage. Our key aim is to move people into employment, and so it was really important that we had training facilities here so that we could provide accredited training but also tailored training to meet people's needs. Jobs and employment are a very competitive world, so it was very, very important for us that we could demonstrate to employers the skills that our staff have. Doing that through our training enterprise section within the social enterprise was crucial so that people could move on to jobs in their local communities. So the huge impact that this has for people is that it develops their independence. That in itself builds confidence and self-esteem for people to go out into the world, and their own recognition of self-worth has had huge impact. We've seen people pass their driving tests, move into their own homes, be independent with their own finances, and that certainly improved the quality of their lives.